Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing a cartoon Mario Bros. Are you ready? Let's do this!
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil.
Okay little artists, today we're gonna start with this picture. I can't wait to see the movie, and remember to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. Let's start in the middle of the paper and going a little to the left. We're gonna do the nose and it's gonna be a big letter C. Just like this. And now we're gonna do the mustache and we're gonna start on the bottom curve going up. And now we're gonna come back doing little U shapes. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and we're gonna continue curving here around the nose and connecting here. Now let's do the mouth and we're gonna do a U shape underneath the mustache, kind of like in the middle. And now we're gonna do a curve inside for the tongue. Next, we're gonna do another curve around the mouth and it's gonna go from the mustache passing the mouth. We're gonna go down, curving and going up a little and stop right there. We pass the mustache about a finger space. We're gonna do the backwards letter C here for the ear and we're gonna start here going up. Now we're gonna do inside another letter C and a little line in the center. From this point of the ear, we're gonna do a line that goes up. We leave a little bit space and go up. Now we're gonna do another line here. So we're just gonna go up a little. We're gonna do here a line to connect with this one. So we're gonna go curving and connecting to the other line and we're gonna pass it. And we're gonna pass the other line we did and this one we can connect it now. Now let's do one more line. I'm gonna put a little dot here to know where I'm coming back. And now I'm gonna go under this line here and then I'm gonna go curve going up. So I'm gonna curving around this line and I'm gonna start coming back down until I connect with the dot. Let's finish the hat. And we're gonna go from the ear, going back, free here, curving one time. And on the top here, going down and curving one time. Now let's connect these two with a big curve. So we're gonna go curving, going down. And here I'm gonna pass this line I did here. In the top, we're gonna put a half a circle for the M that he always have in his hat. And we're gonna do that at the end when we color. On the top of the nose, we're gonna do one oval shape for the eye. And we're gonna fill this with black. And this oval is kind of like missing the bottom part. Now we're gonna do one oval shape that is full. And it's gonna leave a finger space here. And fill in this with black. To finish the head, we're gonna do here a little bit of the hair. We're gonna go from this corner down and come back here. Next, continue with the body. Underneath the mouth right here, we're gonna do a square shape. And it's sideways. Now in this corner, we're gonna do a U shape that is sideways. It's gonna look like this, and curves a little bit more here. We're gonna do the glove here, so I'm gonna start curving like this. We're gonna go on the left side doing a big curve. And on the right side, I'm gonna go down and curving until I connect with this one. Here, we're gonna put a little line and we're gonna connect here doing a curve. And on the top, we're gonna put a curve so it looks more like a fist. And in the middle, he had two kind of like a drop shapes that we're gonna fill with black. Now underneath the arm, we're gonna start doing his overall and we're gonna curve. And we're gonna connect with the glove. Now underneath here, we're gonna start doing a shoe. We're gonna do two curves. We're gonna do one little curve. Now we're gonna go down. And in this corner, I wanna go down again. Now let's go down doing a big letter U shape that is gonna connect with the glove. And on the side, we're gonna put another one that is gonna be the bottom of the shoe. On the left side, we're gonna do the big belly. And so we're gonna leave a space, we leave a line that goes down, and we are gonna start curving until we connect with the shoe. Last, we're gonna do here inside two buttons. We're gonna do half a circle And the other one is gonna go here with a circle. Now let's do the other shoe, and it's going in behind this. Here we're gonna curve, going down and connect with the valley. And let's not forget about the bottom of the shoe with another curve. Now he's raising his arm so we can see another fist. We're gonna start over the hat doing a curve. Now a little one and a big one that goes down, and it's about the same height of the hat. Now we're gonna go in and we're gonna connect again with the nose. Here and behind, if you still have room, we're gonna put here a line. The last thing here, we're gonna mark with another curve so it looks more like a fist. And the very last thing is here, we're gonna do a line that goes down. We can see a little bit of the arm, so going down. And there, that's it. We finished this character, the famous Mario Bros. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the character looks with all the colors. The only thing I did here is I let the color red dry. So just leave a little bit of light here, or use a darker red to get this shade right here. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!